Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today, we, the students of grade 7, are going to conduct today's assembly on the topic of Indian philosopher, social leader, Nyanada Saraswati. Nyanada Saraswati was an Indian philosopher, social leader, and founder of the Arya Samaj. He was the first to give a call for Swaraj as India for Indians. The former president of India, S. Radhakrishnan, called him one of the makers of modern India. Let us hear the thought said by Nyanada Saraswati. For that, I would like to call Tanvi to deliver today's thought.
Jai Bharat everyone. Today I am going to deliver thought of the day. Give the world the best you have and the best will come to you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Tanvi. Now, I would like to call Aryan to deliver more information about Nyanada Saraswati.
Jai Bharat everyone, myself Aryan Bai. I am studying in grade 7. Today I am going to speak a speech on the topic of Swami Dayanand. Swami Dayanand is remembered with reverence and affection among the social reformers of the 19th century. He raised his voice in idol worship. That was a time where religious hardship was rife. Social evils like child marriage was an accepted practice. Widows were ill-treated. It was Swami Dayanand who showed unremarkable courage in decrying these practices and instituting reforms. At the Kumbh Fair of 1876 in Haridwar, he spoke openly against social evils and kept his view frankly in the favor of widow marriage. He established the glory of Vedas and founded a new and progressive society which he named Arya Samaj. His works Satyagraha Prakash, Rigved Bhumika, etc. are well known. He also wrote a treatise on the Vedas. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryan. Nyanada Saraswati has also written many quotes. To deliver those, I would like to call Zumana.
Jai Bharat everyone, my name is Zumana Mujib Hafiz. I am studying in grade 7. My topic, today I am going to speak some slogan written by Dayanand Saraswati. God has neither form nor color. He is corporeal and immense. Whatever we see in this world describes his greatness. What is crucial in dealing with loss is not to lose the lesson. That makes you a winner in this most profound sense. When bad does not leave the badness, why should good leave the goodness? Thank you.
Thank you, Zumana. Let us move towards the most interesting part of our assembly. It is quiz. For that, I would like to call Awab.
Jai Bharat everyone, my name is Avneem Adhikari from grade 7th. Today's my topic is quiz questions. So, question number 1. Dayananda Saraswati was founder of which Samaj? The answer is Arya Samaj. My second question. What is the original name of Dayananda Saraswati? The answer is Mul Sankara. My question number 3. Dayananda Saraswati is the author at which book? The answer is Satyartha Prakash. Question number 4. The former President of India, S. Radhakrishnan, called Dayananda Saraswati as? The answer is makers of modern India. Fifth question. He was also the first person to give a dash word. Answer Swar.
Thank you, Baba. Now, I would like to call our class teacher, Miss Nihal ma'am, to share a value-added story with us.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to narrate story about Swami Dayanand Saraswati. I am going to narrate the story in Hindi. The title of the story is Ghusse Sadhu. बात उन दिनों की है जब स्वामी दयानंद फर्रुखाबाद गंगा तट ठहरे हुए थे। वहीं उन्होंने अपनी छोटी सी कुटिया बनाई थी। कुटिया से थोड़ी दूर पर एक झोपड़ी थी जिसमें एक साधु रहता था। पता नहीं क्यों वह साधु स्वामी जी से बहुत क्रोधित था। हर रोज़ वह स्वामी जी की कुटिया के पास आकर गाली दिया करता था। जब वह गालियाँ देकर थक जाता तो वापस अपनी झोपड़ी में आ जाता। दयानंद उसकी गालियाँ सुनकर मुस्कुराते थे और कोई जवाब नहीं देते थे। एक दिन किसी शिष्य ने स्वामी जी को फलों का टोकरा भेजा। उन्होंने टोकरे में से कुछ फल निकाले और उन्हें एक कपड़े में बांधा और एक शिष्य से बोले, ये फल ले जाकर उस साधु को दे दो। व्यक्ति वह फल लेकर साधु के पास पहुंचा और बोला, यह फल स्वामी जी ने आपके लिए भेजे हैं। हालांकि साधु स्वामी जी से बहुत क्रोधित था, इसलिए दयानंद का नाम सुनते ही चिल्लाने लगा, अरे प्रातःकाल किसका नाम ले रहे हो? पता नहीं अब मेरा आज का दिन कैसा जाएगा। आज मुझे भोजन भी नसीब नहीं होगा। ये फल उसने मेरे लिए नहीं किसी और के लिए भेजे होंगे। वो भला क्यों मुझे फल भेजेगा? मैं तो उसे रोज़ गालियाँ देता हूँ। ये सुनकर वह व्यक्ति वापस चला गया। वहाँ जाकर स्वामी जी से पूरी बात बताई। स्वामी जी ने उस व्यक्ति से बोले, तुम वापस उस साधु के पास जाओ और बोलो कि आप प्रतिदिन जो अमृत वर्षा करते हैं उसमें निश्चित ही आपकी शक्ति लगती होगी। ये फल उस शक्ति को बनाए रखेंगे और मैंने भी बनाए रखेंगे ताकि आपकी अमृत वर्षा में कोई भी बाधा ना आए और आप तभी शक्तिशाली महसूस करें। इस बार साधु ने संदेश ग्रहण कर लिया और लज्जा से सर झुका लिया। साथ ही साथ वह समझ गया कि महर्षि असभ्य को सभ्यता से, क्रूर को प्रेम से और निर्दयी को दया से जीतना जानते हैं। साधु बहुत लज्जित हुआ और उनकी कुटिया पर जाकर क्षमा याचना की। इस कहानी से शिक्षा मिलती है कि अगर कोई हमसे बिना किसी बात के नाराज़ भी है तब भी हमें उसके साथ सामान्य व्यवहार करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।